What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I appreciate you tuning in today. We're outside my house, and as you guys know, we've been sanding down and starting the whole painting series with the 350Z. I'm super excited. Thank you so much to the shop for helping me out on this, journey we're taking. I think it's pretty awesome, but I wanted to show you guys. Today, what I really wanted to do is actually go to one of the bigger car shows in the area. Local car scene is actually having their monthly meetup, and there's always like 300 or 400 cars there, so I thought we'd go over there and just, see what's happening. As you can tell, there's a lot of dust. I'm gonna come back over here one sec, it's kind of windy. And we're taking it down to the car show, maybe get some reactions or something. My brother's actually on his way here right now. He should be literally coming around the corner any minute. And then we're gonna cruise down there in the Z together. And then we're actually meeting David and Kylie over there as well. So we're getting the whole gang together. We're gonna go see some awesome cars and some awesome builds. I know last time we did this, there was like 400 cars over there. So hopefully, I'm sure it'll be another huge turnout, like always. So let's do it, let's wipe off some of this dust. I'm kind of excited actually. Here's my damp rags, Boom, all right. They're not too wet, you know what I mean? All right, but watch how satisfying this is gonna be. Ready? It's just, oh. I mean, I know it's obviously not the best thing to do to a car, and the paint, but I mean, we're gonna paint the whole entire thing anyways, so it doesn't matter, right? Oh, so satisfying. Oh, I hear Steve. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Yo, yo. Oh, that sounds good, man. Dude, this thing is clean. What's up, G? This thing is clean, man. Yo.
For sale.
What's up, man? Dude, oh God, I never even closed the door.
Oh no.
I have these damp rags and I wanted to just...
Oh, the sand.
Yes, I was just wiping down some of the spots that have been they're just really dusty, ready? Oh, that's satisfying, right?
Right.
Jeez, it almost makes it look sad that we're sanding it. Oh, it's gonna look so much better.
Oh, of course. I got the knives today.
Oh, those are freaking clean, man.
I know, right? They're fire.
All right, it looks a little better. Gang.
Can I drive around them?
Yes, if you want. Do you want to do it when we get back from the car show?
Yeah.
Dude, I know, right? Boom. Yo, this is the cleanest it's looked since we started sanding it. Dude, we're so low on gas. Oh my God.
Gotta get gas then.
That's with my 5-cent discount, people. $4.09 a gallon right now. That's terrible.
Don't live in Cali, people. Don't live in Cali.
That's terrible.
And his transmission just completely shut out.
No.
Like every gear he was shifting to. Yeah, he had to get it towed.
Oh. Yo. I love your car.
Oh, hey, thank you.
Look at that. Do we need one for the channel?
Oh yeah.
I think we need one for the channel. That would be so sick. Broken door handle life. Okay, I used to drink Monsters every day, like 2 a day for like 5 years. I stopped drinking Monsters. I told myself I only drink them when I'm with Steve now. We really don't get them that often, so. Cheers, you guys.
Cheers, Al.
This is the chaos one. Cheers.
Embrace tradition, yo.
Exactly.
So good.
It tastes like 8th grade, man. Been drinking Monsters for a long time. So we're pulling up on the car show. Should be right around this corner.
Yeah.
I've already seen a lot of nice cars, just driving around the mall here. So I'm kind of excited to see what we got. So it's at this place right here called SoCal Auto Style. There's some nice stuff over there. Oh, Miata.
S2K over there.
Dude, all of those Lancers.
This place is freaking packed, dude. Look at that. Oh my God, this place is bumping.
There's like 1,000 people here.
Ooh.
So we're gonna pull around this way, and I saw a parking spot right over here. That thing's...
Was that BRZ? Was that BRZ?
Where is it? 86 or something.
Nice. Looks good. This guy's got the Z gang. Look at that wing. It's like it made out of cement. It's like, where do we park, you know what I'm saying? It's a fake fear of God over there. That's awesome.
Alright guys, so we just made it to the car show. We parked next to a Mustang and this awesome Stinger. It's actually got like a marble wrap on it. We're gonna get out and walk around. There's some awesome cars. We got a pretty good parking spot, and yeah, let's do it. Got the Z. Alright. On Instagram, this guy, Soulless86. He's got this green wide body 86. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice.
Oh my God.
This thing's crazy, man.
thought you were gonna bring the Miata because I knew you were in the middle of sending this one
Yeah,
down.
I was like, might as well bring it, you know, just because.
I've been watching your videos, dude. Like, honestly, dude, like, I like them.
Nice, thank you.
And,
I really appreciate that.
Yeah, let me know how it goes because I actually want to do my paint's a little fucked up.
I feel.
And so, you know, I have a 350 as well.
Yeah,
so,
he does some pretty good work, so I'm pretty excited to see how it turns out.
Are you gonna go with the same red?
Yeah, I think so. I was thinking about doing a black roof, but I feel like it's pretty common right now, so probably just paint the roof red and then maybe wrap it black in the future.
Exactly. I mean, if you ever wanted to, you can just wrap it.
Yeah. Where's your Z?
Oh, it's right there.
Oh shoot, I haven't walked down there. I gotta walk down there.
Yeah, I just got here.
Cool.
Yeah.
You wanna walk around?
Yeah, sure.
That's it. We're gonna walk around.
Yeah, sounds good.
You wanna come? Dude, this thing's clean. Dude, your Z is insane, man. What wheels are those?
The Mycar?
Mycar's nice. Jeez. Is this a wide body fender or is this?
It's a little bit wider than the stock ones.
Okay,
yeah.
I feel. Yeah, it's a good amount. Yeah, it's a little extra. The chassis mount?
Yeah, and it's full carbon fiber, even the end plates and the wing.
My God. Sweet, man. Paint on this thing is nice. Dude, it's so clean. Oh. I mean, like, it doesn't even get more mint. Jeez. Oh, that's pretty clean. Crazy. Yo. Bruh. Dude, I gotta see this Miata. Dude. Should we do the sleepy eye look?
I want this thing so bad, bro.
You just pull the trigger.
Yeah, I know. I know, I want to.
Dude, this thing is insane, man. Another RX-7, man. Someday, I want to buy one of these for the channel. I think, you know, we need all the cool Mazdas eventually.
Just the collection.
The Bride racing seats and everything. Oh, the carbon. Dude,
That's cool.
it's such a timeless body, you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
it's like the last car I haven't looked at yet. Oh, man. Oh, with the eyes, that's crazy. A bee landed on it, man. That front splitter is massive. Jeez. Wow. How could they park such a nice car next to this beater right here?
Johnny, at least you can say your car is a unique element.
Yep, it's the only half-sanded car I've seen here. You know? Can't miss this one. Jeez. Man, I feel like I see so many R32s that when you see an R33, you're like, okay, that's a little refreshing, you know? Right-hand drive and everything. Oh. You hear that? Sounds good. Right? Right-hand drive. Yo, that thing's clean.
Clean.
Yes. All right. Jeez. Oh man. See. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, you hear that? Z-gang. Dude, that thing is clean.
That thing is nice.
Alright you guys, so there you have it. Went to the car show, met some awesome people today. If you guys see me at the car show or you see us at the car show, definitely come up and say hey. We're, you know, we always like meeting people and stuff like that. So
Shout.
yes, anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Definitely look forward to the next video. We're gonna be back at the shop working on the Z once again, sanding it down with Ephraim, and I'm super excited. Anyways, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace.
Peace out.
See you guys.